Welcome students. Now in this session we will see about drawing a line parallel to another given line at a given distance, but by using compass. We are not using set square, we are not using protractor, which have been already discussed in the previous sessions. Now drawing a parallel line to a given line at a given perpendicular distance, but using compass. So I have taken here the question is sample question is this: draw a line segment AB of length 5.4 centimeter and draw a line parallel to AB using compass. So I have the line here. I'll just show it to you. In this ruler here, I'll show it to you. It is 5.4 centimeter. Already I have made it. So okay, with the help of this magnifier you can see it. It is right at 0. Okay, I will just make it bigger. It's right at 0. Okay, starting point 0 and 5.4. The point B is at 5.4 centimeter. Okay, so we'll minimize it and we'll keep it here. This is no longer required. Now I'll first take the compass because we are going to do with compass only now. So this ruler is not required. I am just going to send it back to store. I'll take the compass. The compass is ready now. The idea is I will just draw a line at A perpendicular to the line AB to construct a perpendicular at A to the line AB. Okay, so after drawing that, the perpendicular distance of 4.3 will be marked on that. Okay, and then again one more line perpendicular to the new line will be drawn. Okay, we'll do that in steps. First, I just have to set the distance. No, setting distance is not required here. We just have to keep the compass here at A. Okay, and I will just take a little distance, more than half. This is, as you can see here, it is at A, exactly at A. At the tip A. Okay, and I can just rotate it and see it is more than half. So for drawing a perpendicular, I have set the compass distance as more than half of the line segment AB, and the pivot is kept at A. So it means the perpendicular line is going to be drawn at A. Okay, now keeping the pen in the mode of drawing arc, I'm just drawing a semicircle here. Okay, and after that I will take this tip to the point where the line and the arc intersected. You can see it here. At this point I have kept it. Now I'll have to make one more arc here. The distance of the compass can be anything more than half of the distance. It is not changed. It is that only. Towards this process I have made one smaller arc here. Okay, I can rotate it also and then make it a little bigger. Okay, now I'll have to take the arc to this side. I brought it here. You can see it. It is kept exactly at that point. Now I'll have to draw a bigger arc. Okay, I'll just tilt it to the side and then I'll take this line above here. Okay, now I have drawn a bigger arc here. Okay, and now I'll have to take the pivot to this point. I'll keep it here. You can see it is kept exactly at the point. I'll have to draw a arc here. Oh God, it has moved. It's kept exactly at that point. I just have to rotate it. I have to make an arc. So I'll just, the tip is activated. Now one more line drawn. Now I got the perpendicular line. Perpendicular line I have drawn here. It is this. It's just passing through this point of intersection of the arcs and the initial point A. This line is perpendicular to AB, drawn at A using compass. Okay. Now I will have to draw a line parallel to AB at 4.3 centimeters. So first I will set a distance of 4.3 in the compass. The distance set in the compass is 3.4. So 4.3 means I will elongate to this side, this distance. It is now 4.3. You can see it with the lens. The distance is 4.3 centimeter. Okay. Now I'll take the compass to this point A. From A, the line parallel line to be drawn is at 4.3 centimeters. So I will just make a mark here. This time I will change the tip of the compass pen into black color just to make a contrast. After that I will just make a mark here. It is now at 4.3 centimeter. You can again check it. 4.3 only. This compass distance is not changed. Now I will have to draw. I will mark this point as C. Capital C. This point is C. Okay, I will keep this point as C here. Okay. At C, I will have to make a perpendicular for the line AC. So the perpendicular to the perpendicular will be parallel. Therefore, AB and another line, the perpendicular at C, okay, will be parallel. So for that, I just have to apply the methodology of drawing it. I will first take the compass to the point C, because at C I am going to construct a line perpendicular to AC. So here I will just set the compass distance. So for that I just see here it is 4.3. I will have to reduce it to more than half. Now it is more than half. Okay, more than half. Now I can draw a semicircle. On bringing it here, I have got a black semicircle here. Okay, I have not drawn the entire semicircle. Let me just pull it down and then draw it. I will take it, draw. It is not necessary that you draw the full semicircle, but I have drawn it just for your purpose of, because that is the procedure we follow. With that same distance set in the compass, I will have to make an arc here from this point where the new semicircle and the perpendicular line meet. Here I will keep it, and I will have to rotate it and make a smaller arc here. So that smaller arc is made now. I will have to take this again to the same position here. Okay, I will have to make a bigger arc here. I made a bigger arc here. Okay, and now to the second part where it cut, the two arcs cut, the latest two arcs cut. I will take the cursor, compass, and keep it here at this point. Keep the pivot at this point of intersection of it. Okay, I will have to rotate it now again. Okay, now the two arcs cut at some point, the black two arcs. I will use the green color to draw the line joining this point C and this new point. I will name that new point as D, but I will draw the line first and then do it. I will zoom it also and then draw. Okay, from C I will mark this point as D first. Point D, which is here above, I keep it here. Okay, C and D to be joined using line. I have taken a line here. It is passing through C exactly and through the point of intersection of the origin, which is point D. Okay, now CD is parallel to the given line, which is, you can see after zooming out, CD is the line which is parallel to the line AB. This is how using compass we draw a line parallel to another given line. Thank you.